Avocado oil is a vegetable substance extracted from the avocado tree, Persea americana, found in Central America, Mexico, and Brazil. The fruit, avocado, is rich in proteins, vitamins A, C, and E, folic acid, and potassium. Highly caloric and full of good fats, avocado helps control triglyceride levels and bad cholesterol. Avocado oil is rich in nutrients. Avocado oil is a full treatment for your skin, hair, and nails. Because of its anti-aging, regenerative, and soothing actions, this oil works as a treatment for your face and body, and also takes care of your hair. Did you know that? Learn how to make avocado oil at home. Write down the ingredients. 2 medium avocados, ripe. Directions: cut the avocados in half and mash the pulp. Transfer all fruit to a baking tray and set it under the sun for 5 to 7 days. Another option is to dry the avocado in the oven instead of using the sun. In this case, put the baking tray in the oven at 122 degrees Fahrenheit for 5 hours. It should become dark, but don't let it burn or pass the 5 hours period. If the fruit becomes black, it means it is burnt. Do not use it. If your oven becomes too hot, lower the temperature. It is important to check your oven once in a while to avoid burning. In both cases, the fruit should become a dark brown color. Remove the dried avocado from the tray with a spatula and transfer it to a cotton or voile cloth, which will work as a strainer. Press the dried fruit to extract the oil from the avocado. After the whole process, you probably have around 0.7 ounces of pure homemade avocado oil. Now transfer it to an amber glass bottle, preferably with a pipette. Enjoying the video? Then give it a like and share it with your friends to help the channel. You can use your avocado oil as body and facial moisturizer. To use avocado oil as a moisturizer, apply it over your skin before going to bed. Wash the next morning. If you want therapeutic or aromatic effects, you can combine your avocado oil with essential oils. Avocado oil in your bath. Add a few spoons of avocado oil to your bathtub to make your skin softer. Avocado oil on your scalp. People with dry scalp can benefit from using avocado oil. Put 3 to 5 tablespoons of avocado oil in a glass jar and warm it using a double boiler method. Once the oil is warm, remove from heat and gently massage your scalp with it. Let the oil act overnight and wash your hair the next morning. It helps get rid of dandruff and the dry skin on your scalp. So, did you like learning how to make avocado oil at home? Try it and share your experience with us. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.